Natalie, Framel. Actually been on the committee and getting our wellness plan ready. The playground that sits to the far east of the school, over at what we call Prairie Park, was a Kaboom project. Our kids were able to draw their ideal playground, and then the parents of some of those same kids were ones that we had as volunteers. And so our community is amazing, and we came together in basically 2 days and put together the playground with the help of Kaboom and GSN and the partnership with that. A few other things that we've been pretty lucky, having our new weight room with fitness classes that are being provided through our health grant with some funding for a personal trainer that we have in town. We get anywhere between 8 to 12, sometimes 15 people that come in 2 nights a week in the fitness room to do some exercise. And those are things that I think bring the community in.
The weight room is probably one of our, like us kids, our favorite parts.
It was funny the first couple days when you talked about like exciting things about the new building, and some of the things that they talked about were like, oh, we have drinking fountains that you can fill water bottles with.
We do snacks Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and they give you like the nutritional facts. And so it tells you like your carbs, your proteins, your sugars, and obviously your calories for your different serving sizes. And I think that helps us to know that like we're putting something good into our body.
As people's stress levels are heightened and things are very busy, sometimes we forget to take care of ourselves. And we talk to kids about that, but we forget to model that and do that ourselves. So a lot of our staff that do actually take advantage of it, I being one of them, I love it. Now that we have the walking path completed, we're in that weird spot, but trying to get our walking club going for the kids for the elementary.
One of our big things is we are like a sports school.
The biggest parts, I think, are seeing the kids being able to be active, kids wanting to participate in things. In town, there's not a lot of businesses. Where people gather is here at the school. Between sporting events, between our different evenings and events that are hosted here at the school, this is kind of the hub for the community, and it's what builds our community.